and Delaney Farm viewers. Wanted to give you all the last video of 2023. We're about 2 days away from 2024. Just going to give you all an update on what we've been doing here this last couple days. I put on Facebook Marketplace some of this wood that I had cleaned up and piled up for anyone to come and pick up. And response has been pretty good. A couple people come out and take some wood. You can see a lot's been cut up. I'm burning some of the trash part of it still, just to clear it all out of here. See down there the way, future project with those pallets coming up. You all can see it down there. We'll walk across this creek. It's got water in it this last couple of days. For sure. To get across here. Good spot to cross. See, I was first bought this property. I was worried about if the creek had water or would hold water. As you can see, it does. Unfortunately, it's only overflows and fills up the creek there. There's 2 down there that people were hitting today. But as you can see, I still got a lot of project work out here for 2024. I enjoy it, so I can't wait to get back out of here and clean out the property. Continue to think about what I want to do with it. Still very much satisfied with the purchase. With a lot of options. So I wanted to show you all the head of this creek on my side of the property. That was from where the bush hog was in here in the spring, or the summer I should say actually, and found out a little soft down there. So you see some pretty gnarly roots, or ruts I should say. This will be something else that I'll need to evaluate with my neighbor. Looks like we're gonna need to try to put in a culvert or something so we can get that water controlled. Try to draw this pass here. See, that's good, clean, flowing water. Lots to do. Guys been coming in getting wood. Entryway up here is getting pretty intense. Definitely got to give yourself a running room out of here. You're probably gonna have to put down some fabric and gravel. Get this cleaned up. Yeah. Should not be a problem for Raylan though. We should be able to get out here no problem. Alright everybody, we'll shut this video down. Again, I wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone. If you don't have God in your life, you still have time. Please make sure you have your soul anchored in a loving, true, caring God. until 2024, see you guys next year. Thanks for watching.